Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am Urvashi Patel and today I am again going to try something new on my channel. But before proceeding towards it, I would like to request you to kindly subscribe my channel if not yet subscribed, and if already subscribed then do watch my video till last and like the video. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon, because if you press the bell icon, then only you would receive the notifications of my latest video upload whenever I upload it. So let's begin. So friends, let's get started. Today's my content is on how I turned from fat to fit. Not completely fit, but yes, fit compared to earlier me. So how did I turn myself from fat to fit? What all I have done to achieve this? I have reduced almost 5 to 6 kgs within 3 weeks, that too without going to gym or yoga classes or doing aerobics, cardio, anything. So also I haven't switched myself to dieting because I can't stay away from food, because you already know that I am foodie and I like trying new recipes, which includes cheese too. But I am not eating all those things on regular basis. I only eat them in small portion, and that too on a particular day only, mostly Sunday of course. So friends, let me tell you what all things I have done to achieve this body transformation in 3 weeks. So friends, first step to stay healthy is eat right instead of eating less. Second step, stay happy and joyful instead of sad and depressed. Of course, sad and depressed mind of state lets you eat more of carbohydrates through fast foods or carbonated drinks or alcohol if you drink. So matlab, I don't know, eating cheese, pizza, burger. So friends, if you would be happy, you won't need all these things at all. Although you would have to stay away from all this kind of foods to stay healthy. And the third habit that you need to change is sleep early, awake early. Also, sleep for at least 6 to 8 hours. Adequate sleep is necessary for good health. Then, instead of eating wafers, you may switch to eating popcorns. Then friends, fourth step is to include walking in your daily routine. Walk at least 30 minutes every day to stay healthy and fit. Fifth step is to eat your dinner before 8 p.m. at night. Friends, sixth step is in dinner include meals which are easily digestible, like soup, juice, boiled vegetables, which are easily digestible. Seventh step is to include fruits and vegetables in your everyday diet. Eat more and more fruits and vegetables instead of fast foods or processed foods. eighth step is include nuts in your everyday diet like almonds, pistachios, walnuts, cashew nuts. But surely include almonds because almonds are too good for weight loss. Ninth point is avoid sugar, avoid potatoes, and avoid fast foods. Avoid cheese, avoid fast foods, avoid carbonated drinks. Then 10th and the most important step, which should be the first step I guess, is drink more and more water. Friends, you must have recently come across a meme on Cristiano Ronaldo who chose water over 2 cans of Coca-Cola. So this clearly states what is necessary, Coca-Cola or water. So instead of carbonated drinks, have your preference of water. So instead of drinking carbonated drinks, drink water or juice. So if and only if you would like the video and do post some good comments for this video, then only I will try to make another video on how to stay fit and healthy. On next video I am thinking to do a session on what should we eat and what we shouldn't eat to stay fit and healthy. And of course it will be for vegetarians only because I am a pure vegetarian. So till then, friends, stay fit, stay healthy and do what I have told you to do if you want to stay fit and healthy. One more thing I would like to share is, I know that my channel is mostly subscribed by male members instead of female members, but still I have made this video. You must be thinking why? Because of course male members can recommend my channel to female members. So friends, I have made this video for benefit of all. It's not like only for female members only I have done this, but male members also can follow my rules and steps to stay fit and active. Bye. So friends, if you liked the video, then kindly post your likes here. Also, those who haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe if you want to watch me doing different kinds of videos, of course. One more thing friends, I have posted a few healthy recipes on my channel. If you wish, you could try some of these to stay fit and healthy. Also don't forget to like them. So I think this is all for today. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching me. Bye.